Check the primary pressure valve. It's fluctuating. I'll adjust the regulator. Good. Now test the secondary relay. It's responding, stabilizing. Confirmed. All green.
It's still dripping. We need to contain this fast. I'm on it, trying to slow the spread. I've logged it. Hazmat is 5 minutes out. Good. This puddle's getting bigger. Okay, initiating rotation sequence. Rotation engaged, monitoring for anomalies. Looks stable, proceeding with inspection. Connecting test lead to the power bus. Readings are stable. Rerouting this bundle. Path clear. Securing connections. Running the hydraulic pulse test now. There it is. The pulse is spiking. Confirmed. The regulator is faulty. All right, let's get this panel fitted. Ready, lifting now. Aligning, looks good. Securing rivets, holding steady. Initiating power-up sequence. Systems are coming online. Verifying with the scope. All indicators are green. Check the waveform on the orange unit. Got it, it's irregular, I'm switching the feed. Okay, initiate the boot sequence. Booting now. Progress at 60%. Confirmed. All systems online. The power coupling should align here. See the schematic? Yes, but check the diagnostics. I'm seeing a phase variance. Pulling it up, the overlay confirms it. Good. Let's map the return path. Easy now. Bring the wing forward slowly. Aligning now. Looks good from this side. Contact made. Checking the alignment. All right, begin the tilt. Copy. It's moving up. Good pace. Keep it steady. Alignment is good. Perfect. Hold for final check. Alignment confirmed. Secure it. Initiating drop test sequence. Stand clear. Gears extending now. Monitoring for smooth deployment. Test complete. All systems nominal. Initiating brake compression check. Pressure holding steady at 1200 psi. Test complete. No leaks detected. Initiating flap deployment. Extension looks good. Monitoring current. Retraction complete. All readings normal. Tower N123AB, runway 27, ready for departure. N123AB cleared for takeoff, runway 27. Cleared for takeoff, N123AB. Pre-flight checklist complete, all systems green. Control, an OD3 ready for taxi, runway 27. N123 towards taxi right short. Brake taxi, holding short. Tower, aircraft ready for takeoff. Cleared our takeoff, runway 32 left. Cleared for takeoff, 32 left. Thrust set, accelerate. V1 rotate, positive rate, gear up. Co-pilot, confirm climb checklist complete, ready for gear up. Checklist complete, ready for gear up. Gear up, gear up selected. Gear is up and locked, confirmed. Center, flight 452, level at 350. Flight 452, roger, clear skies ahead. Confirmed, clear skies, ETA 20 minutes. Copy that, maintaining smooth flight. Check the hydraulic pressure, it looks marginal. Running the test now, stand by. Confirmed, levels are stabilizing. Good, I'll log it and check the breakers. Cleared for takeoff. Throttle up.
Engines are right here, what? MV2 don't right, right! Ours flying 10, no, rush!
We did it, team! The wiring is perfect.
Great job. Let's check the connections.
Looks solid?
This will fly.
Agreed. Success.
Apex! Yeah! Woo! Go team! Let's finish this! Apex,